In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube short from your computer. So right now, all you have to do is click on Start and make sure that you have Microsoft Clipchamp. If you don't have Microsoft Clipchamp, you can open Microsoft Store and search for Microsoft Clipchamp. So once you install it, click on Open and open the champ. So right here, I'm going to click on create a new video. As you see where it says start from scratch, we're going to click on that. From here, we are going to change the size. So click on change aspect ratio. So one click on it and go to vertical 9:16 aspect ratio. You see it says Instagram Reels and TikTok. So this is the same aspect ratio for YouTube Shorts. So we are going to one click on that, and as soon as we have a small short video here. Now all we have to do is we have to import our video. So I'm going to drag and drop my video here. So you see I have a video, I'm going to just drag it and drop it here. And after I do that, I'm going to drag and drop it here as well. So you see, right now, this is the start of my video and this is the end of my video. So I want to make sure that it's less than 3 minutes. So I'm going to move this slider and move it to the right and make it shorter. So you see in the middle, this is the start of the video and this is the end of the video. And in the middle, you see, this is the duration of my whole video. So as long as it's less than 3 minutes, it's going to be fine. When you upload it to YouTube, it's going to be a short video. But if it's more than 3 minutes, you're just going to upload it as a regular video. So pay attention to that. Make sure that it's less than 3 minutes. All right? So I'm going to just stop the video here. And right now, what I'm going to do is I have some empty space here. You see there is some empty space. So to delete this empty space, we can simply move the mouse over this trash can and click on delete this gap. So one click on it and it will delete that gap. So you see this is my short video now. If I click on play, and you see there are some empty spaces. So there's some empty space at the top and bottom, and I'll have to resize it. So I'm going to resize my video now. Probably make it like to fill in the screen, and I don't want any gaps. So I'm going to make it like that. Let me zoom out. So just make sure that there is no gap there. Alright. So now if I click on play, you see this is my video. This is the short video. So I'm happy with it. I'm going to click on export at the top right. One click on it and you can go to 1080 pixels HD, so high quality. So make sure you click on that, and I'm going to save it to my computer. So how do I do that? Well, I'm going to click on select folder right here, and let's go to desktop. So this is my desktop. I'm going to click on desktop and click on select, and now let's click on send. So my video will be ready after the export. So you see it's being exported now, and this is a short video. It's going to play it a little bit. So you see this is like about time remaining. I have like 3 seconds left. So my video was exported and now I can open it. So I can click on this folder and zoom is right here. So this is my short video. Now if I just go to YouTube, so let me just open my YouTube channel, and we are going to simply click on upload, and let's upload our video. So our short video is right here. So I'm going to click on open. So if I click on play, If I click on play, it will play as a short video. And now we have uploaded our short video on YouTube. I hope that you're going to like the video and subscribe to my channel.